Is now a good time to get started investing in real estate? I get asked this question all the time. If you think about it, when has anything ever been the perfect time to get started? In reality, if you started investing in real estate 75 years ago, that would have been a better time. But barring that, what is the best time to do anything? What's the best time to have a child or to buy a house or get married? There's never an ideal time, so the best time to get started is now. I'm going to walk you through one scenario of how I've been able to create wealth while being flexible and minimizing my downside risk by investing in real estate. So I bought this 3-bedroom, 2-bath house that was a foreclosure. I paid $49,000 for it, and I'll try to find the link on Zillow so you can kind of see the house itself. So how do I minimize risk on that property? I can do multiple things with it. I could live in it and fix it up as I go, make that my primary residence, live in it for 2 of the last 5 years, and when I sell it, I have 0 income tax on the profit. I could wholesale it, just selling it to somebody as is and making a margin, $5, $10, $15, $20,000 profit, just by simply marketing it differently. I could fix and flip it. I could fix it up and then sell it to somebody that's going to move in and live there. That would be probably the maximum upfront cash that I could make. I could fix it up and rent it short term, which is what I've done, and I'll tell you at the end kind of the scenario of how I did it. I could fix it up and rent it midterm, furnish it and rent it midterm. I could fix it up and rent it long term. I could partner with somebody, have them fix it up, and then they could rent it and manage it, and I'm limited to my downside risk of just financial risk, and then I don't have to use any of my time in exchange for money because my partner would do that. I could rent to own it as is. I could fix it up and rent to own it as completed. I could turn it into an office. I could use it as an office. There's just so many scenarios of what you can do to pivot depending on the economy and the outside circumstances. So I do this in every property that I look for. I try to find a second, a third, a fourth, a fifth option in case the reason I bought it doesn't work out. I've done this with office buildings where I've converted them to apartments. So it doesn't matter the scenario, there is always a way to make money and mitigate risk in real estate if you have that plan going in and you don't overpay for the property. Overpaying for a piece of property is a death sentence, but if you know what you're doing and execute a plan and you have backup plans, then I guarantee you can make money, so get started today. If you don't have any experience, the quickest way to learn is to find somebody that has that experience and have them teach you. So what I did with this property on Venable Avenue is I bought it for $49,000. I ended up putting about $20,000 in it. I painted it, I redid the floors, I remodeled the bathroom, and I had to fix a drain that was clogged. So the value I had in it was $70,000 or so. I furnished it, I started renting it on Airbnb. I get on average about $3,000 a month. Once I had stabilized income, I went to the bank, I got an appraisal, and I refinanced it. It appraised for $125,000. I borrowed $100,000, so I got my initial $70,000 back, and then I got $30,000 worth of profit back. Now my payment's about $900 a month, and I have guests that are making my mortgage payment for me, so I'm getting the benefit of equity that is paid down. Principal's paid down every month, so my equity is growing. I also have some cash flow, and I get depreciation on the property, so I get to depreciate it, which offsets my taxable income. That is how you create wealth in real estate, and if you get started today, I promise you, you can make $250,000 to $1 million in 2024 just by investing in real estate. There's tons of programs out there as far as financing. Fannie Mae just came out with a 5% down for 2 to 4 units. If you live in it for a year, there's other ways to get into property with little to no money down, and there's tons of way to make money on it. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Reach out to me. I do coach people and mentor them from any level of experience, from literally knowing nothing and just getting out of high school to managing and owning over 4,000 units. I can help you. Please subscribe to the channel.